So we are finally free. First stop is hot springs of Savu Savu. How are you enjoying the hot springs, Rokas?
Wow, we can boil ourselves here.
Hot spring? It's already hot enough.
Yeah.
The resort?
Yeah. No big animals. Tigers, leopards, puma. When we get out, we call you, yeah? Perfect.
Tiny little crab. Oh no. And the sun is out. Rokas is grabbing his drone. This island, Fiji, it's amazing. I actually thought, oh no, it's too expensive. I'm so happy that we did. More to earning more and doing things like this. More also. And the rain is coming. We're gonna go for a swim. The sun is out. This is my new crab friend. His name is Albert. And he is excited to be going back home. Hi, friend. Pretending to be dead. After a nice swim and sunbathe, we are now heading back towards the village, hoping to find some coconuts.
We're going back to village.
Some coconuts to
Bula.
drink. Biški nori apsukti, svetimšalį. Turim dar daug laiko išmokti. So we just bought some handmade hats, going to a market to see if they have any fruit. And happy. Rokas in the market. Whew, it is hot, it is steep, it is so beautiful. Bring some egg into the market. Whew. And a taxi. Day 2. Rain is coming from this side now. Yesterday the rain came from that side. I'm gonna have a nice rainstorm. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
So we were just surprised by our Airbnb host. Fresh coconuts from the tree just in front of me.